The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is a professional 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed to deliver smooth and stable video footage for content creators, vloggers, and travelers. It effectively eliminates unwanted shakes and vibrations, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with ease. With advanced stabilization technology and precision motors, it ensures steady performance even during walking, running, or moving shots. The gimbal features multiple creative shooting modes such as inception, dolly zoom, time-lapse, and panoramic view, making it ideal for artistic video creation. It also offers a convenient sport mode for tracking fast-moving subjects smoothly. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus has a comfortable ergonomic grip and intuitive control buttons, allowing users to adjust angles or switch modes effortlessly. It pairs with the Hohem Pro app via Bluetooth, providing access to intelligent features like face tracking, object tracking, and motion time-lapse. The device supports most smartphones up to 280 grams in weight, making it compatible with popular models from Apple, Samsung, and OnePlus. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 12 hours, it ensures extended shooting sessions without interruption. Combining versatility, durability, and professional-level stabilization, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is an excellent tool for anyone looking to enhance their mobile videography experience.